Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to use the old Python environment so that you can automatically make a bode plot with an oscilloscope and a function generator. So here you are in the manual. Here's the code. Alright, and you would just click that and then direct download. Okay, I've already done that. Now, in lab, there's another version of Python, and it's end thought can it be 64, and just start that. Okay, and this window will pop up and you just click on editor, which I'd already have running. Okay, and then you just do file, open, and I've been doing this more than once. It should just say bode measure plot. I'm clicking on that one because I had to make a few edits at first. Okay, and now you should just be able to run, and you'll see down here it's recognizing the machines, and now it's taking for each frequency a magnitude and a phase. But I'm only taking 5 points so that it runs quickly. All right, and now that it's done, you should see a little blinking thing here, and there it is. Now, why is the phase wrong up here? A couple of things I don't want to go into right now. But anyway, you can change the title and do all that you want. Now, if that doesn't pop up, okay, edit, preferences, and then there's general network notebook counts. Oops. General network. I'm not on my machine today. And then PyLab backend auto select, you can do interactive Qt4, and that should make it work. Okay, so we're not using the Anaconda Python 3.8, although I believe this code is compatible with that after some edits, but they didn't install the right libraries in time for lab. Sorry about that. Bye.